Okay, now let's look at example 9. 2 moles of an ideal monoatomic gas in a closed container at constant volume is heated until its pressure is double. If the final temperature of the gas is 750 Kelvin, calculate the initial temperature of the gas, the change of the internal energy of the gas. Okay, so we are given monoatomic gas. The number of mole of the atomic gas, monoatomic gas is equal to 2, and it is at constant volume. The pressure is double, so the final pressure is twice the initial pressure, and the final temperature is equal to 750 Kelvin. Okay, first question, what is the initial temperature of the gas? Okay, so remember before this, untuk constant volume, okay, kita keluarkan dahulu formula PV is equal to nRT. So, kita punya volume adalah constant, number of mole constant, R pun akan constant. Yang berubah dekat sini adalah pressure dan juga temperature. So, this one, kita boleh gunakan ratio. Actually, untuk constant volume ni, dia adalah di bawah Gay-Lussac's law ataupun pressure law. So, in order to find this temperature, we can use the ratio P1 over T1 is equal to P2 over T2. Since we are given P2 here and also T2, so we can find the value for T1. Di mana P1 is just P1, P2 is 2P1, divided by T1, divided by 750. So, this one kita boleh cancel. So, kita akan dapat T1 is equal to 375 Kelvin. So, this one is simple. You just use the ratio. Okay, and then next one, you want to find the change of the internal energy. So, apabila kita cakap change, bermaksud delta U. So, apabila ada perubahan, maksudnya final internal energy minus initial internal energy. So, dekat sini, apa yang berubah adalah temperature because, kita tahu kan, internal energy adalah sama dengan F over 2 nRT. So, temperature saja yang berubah dekat sini. Pressure pun berubah tetapi mengikut formula untuk internal energy, kita hanya ada temperature saja. So, only the temperature changes. So, if I substitute the formula here, F over 2 nR, final temperature minus initial temperature. Yang lain ni semua akan jadi constant, kecuali temperature sahaja. So, masukkanlah dekat sini F is the degree of freedom. So, this one adalah monoatomic. So, untuk monoatomic, degree of freedom adalah sama dengan 3. So, masukkan 3 over 2. N is number of mole, given is 2. R is at 0.31. This one adalah constant value. And then T final, which is T2, this one. 750 minus initial. So, kita akan dapat the change in the internal energy equal to 935 exponent 3 joule.